Let's talk about brown rice. My wife and I have been eating brown rice for many years. We realized the health benefits of eating brown rice. Also, after doing a lot of research, we realized that eating white rice has a lot of drawbacks because they have removed the outer husk of brown rice to achieve the polished white rice, but in actual fact you remove a lot of vitamins and minerals that you have in natural brown rice. So, it's really good for you. You have a lot of fiber in brown rice. It lowers your glycemic index. It helps with blood pressure management. It helps with constipation. So it gives you a regular system. And it helps with overall heart health. So that is the great thing of brown rice. So this is how we make our brown rice. Brown rice is much harder than white rice. Therefore, we have to soak it overnight. We like it soft. We don't like it crunchy. So we add 1 cup of brown rice and 4 cups of water, and we soak it overnight, and then in the morning we just put on a gentle boil until all the water evaporates, and then you have tangy, soft brown rice, which is really easy to digest because you have all the good fiber in your stomach, and it keeps you fuller for much longer because there is more nutrients and more minerals, more vitamins. Everything is packed into brown rice as opposed to white rice, like I said earlier. So this is our brown rice that we buy. It's organic, whole grain brown rice, and we typically buy it from a shop called Naturasi. It's not that we are promoting this brand, it's just typically where we are buying it because, like I said in one of my previous videos, there are only 2 organic stores in Palermo, so they are both Naturasi. That's actually the name of the store where we're buying our brown rice. We only use stainless steel and cast iron. This is a stainless steel pot. They are much healthier than as opposed to using aluminium, which is not very good for your body. So this is stainless steel, which is, heats up really well and boils really well. We basically eat everything with rice, as you can see on the plate, and that gives us energy for the whole day.